Hello, my friends! Look what day it is. It's MXM Day. Oh yeah, so excited. So first thing I just wanted to mention is that I know Maniology's shipping has been like a little wonky lately. Like if you've noticed on your tracking that it's coming from like California now, I think, or like Seattle, or I think this one came from San Francisco. I think this is the reason why is that the nail polish has shifted from being a consumer good to needing the hazmat surface transportation. I guess you can't put them on planes unless it's like the shipping company owns the plane, like UPS. So I've actually had one of these come via UPS as well when it was a lot of polish. So I'm assuming they're gonna be like working out all the kinks here, but yeah, it's been like a little hairy with all the shipping and stuff, and it's been taking a long time for everything to get here compared to normal. I used to get this like before the 20th even, or on or before, but what's today? Like it's pretty late, but it's here, so that's what matters. Let's check it out. There's also a plate in here for my PR, so I'm gonna take that out of there. Oh, it's so cute. I wish you could see it. Okay, so the theme for November is gingerbread, frosted ginger snaps. So this is a little manicure. I love it. I love this so much. It kind of is like the like you ever see old houses, cottages, and especially that have sort of decorative like corbels and things. That's called gingerbread, and that really reminds me of architectural gingerbread, which is so pretty. And let's see, we've got just a really simple instruction here. So the bonus gift is some powder, some glitter powder. So all you have to do is apply your base, paint one of the colors on, which is marshmallow, and then apply the frosted glitter. And then, oh, okay. So then I thought they had stamped the white on top, but it's the opposite. So, cool. Do not top coat. Really cute. Here's the card. And then, of course, this is the full kit. So we've got both of the polishes, 2 plates, 2 polished, bonus gift. You know. Also, just while I'm here, don't forget my discount code, y'all. I haven't dropped it in a while, but I really love when you use it. So it's Zen10, ZEN10. It rhymes. You can't forget it. All right, here's the good stuff. Oh my. Sun-kissed style. Yeah, sunburnt maybe. That sun did more than kiss you, girl. I love it. Okay, here's our polish. Let's do that second. Here's our plates. Is MXM 140. Wow. So cute. So these are layered. Maniology's just been doing a lot of layered stuff lately. I love it. I love like the combo that they have. Like they don't exclusively do layered, but they don't exclusively do reverse stamp. Because of course you can always just use the outlines to reverse stamp on your own. I'm pretty stoked about the little frostings and stuff. Like, how cute would it be as a French tip though, to have like piping like around the nails. Sorry about my nails, by the way. Anyway, you can kind of make like your little gingerbread house with this. I guess I thought the plates would be a little more like building an actual gingerbread house. I mean, you have some elements here. I guess I expected there to be like more of this kind of stuff. But I can see as like a subscription box how for like the average subscriber that might be kind of a little overwhelming. So I think this was the right move to have all these different little things that you could use as gingerbread house or not. And then here's like the gingerbread patterns. Super cute. This is kind of like frosting, I guess. I would have really liked to see a French tip with some piping. So you could do different kind of candies, peppermint candies here. That's really sweet. And you can decorate. Yeah, I really, really like these patterns a lot. They're really elegant, don't you think? And then so cute. I think these are also really straightforward looking. When you look at them, it's pretty easy to visualize a design, I think, for maybe even a beginner stamper. I think these are great. I know that Maniology struggles every year, and it's because they told me this. I don't think it's obvious that this happens, but they say they struggle every year to come up with like new ideas for different holidays, especially Christmas. You know, there's only so many themes you can have, but I think they always manage to really knock it out of the park and make something different, but also classic. So these are great. I love it. I'm not really usually into the Christmas boxes. I often skip them, but I love these. They're not even extremely Christmassy in my opinion, except for maybe the very, very nice. Very, very nice. Okay, here's some polish here. We have we've got marshmallow, which is an off-white, kind of a warm, almost gray white. And then cookie crumbs, which is a really nice brown. This reminds me of like millennial white, you know, warm gray from all the home renovation stuff in like, what was that, 2017, 18, that era. Yeah, these are really pretty. They're perfect for the box. I'll just do a little bottle swatch here. And then the bonus gift here this, I believe, is a reflective powder called Frosting. Is that what it was? Frosting. That makes sense. Oh, it's right there. Ooh, it looks like snow, like for real. Ooh, it's fun. I don't have like a flashlight handy to like show that this is reflective. I don't know. I'm probably just gonna have to make a mani. It really looks pretty though. Nice. So yeah, only downside of these kind of powders and stuff is that you can't top coat them, which I don't know. I guess for me that's kind of a downside, but for others maybe not. I know texture is like really in right now. Yeah, you can kind of see. Okay, let's do some swatching on here. Turn up my lamp a little. It's more creamy than I originally thought. I guess I can't really describe it as gray. And then these are the ones that seem most similar to me. So marshmallow, Luna, and coconut. Marshmallow, Luna, coconut. we've got Cookie Crumbs, Cocoa, and Down the Chimney. So first, let me just show what they look like stamped. I know we kind of did it on the bottle, but it looks different when it's on the nail, doesn't it? Ooh. Okay, yeah, it looks really pretty together over the white especially. I like that. Okay, so let me look at Luna on top of Marshmallow. Okay, so this is a gray for sure. Here's Coconut. It's much more yellow. So here's Down the Chimney, which is much more gray. And this is Cocoa. These polished names are making me hungry. And that's much darker. Ooh, those look good together, right? It looks like chocolate. Okay, it's like 2 o'clock in the afternoon in sunny conditions. This is indoor natural lighting. So no artificial lights on in here or in my famous bathtub. And then here's that pure white grow light. Look at my lettuce, by the way. It's looking good, huh? Not as good as these nails. Okay, should we try out the frosting? I'm curious to see how it works. Let's see how detailed we can get. I'm gonna use like this little spoon thing, I guess. And I'm curious if I can layer. I think it has to be wet. I think I already messed up. Trying to be quick. It's not gonna work. Maybe I can. No, it's too big. Yeah, no. Okay, I'm gonna try again. Okay, I'm gonna try something kind of weird maybe. Let me see if I can stamp with the sticky base. Try this again. Okay, yeah, that kind of worked. Okay, well that's super clumsy, but yeah, you can see kind of the effect. Probably looks better over the whole nail. Should we try that? I don't know. It'll look sparkly. I don't know what to tell you. It really isn't showing up too well on camera, but it's really pretty in person. Okay, so that's the November box from Maniology MXM. Gingerbread. Super, super cute. I love all of it. I think the polish is really nice. It's a brown we actually don't have, and we get a lot of browns. It's a nice middle ground there. And this is really pretty as well. I think it's kind of perfect with the brown that they included. And the plates I love. I love everything about them. I think they're super cute. There's nothing I would change. Awesome. Let me know if you're gonna get this box or if you're gonna skip it. I'd love to hear what your plans are. If you have a vision for what you're gonna create with this box, let me know. Also, if you're on Instagram, hit me up and you can join the nail stamping collab that we do every month for the MXM box. You don't need to be a subscriber. You don't need to use Maniology plates if you don't want to, but the theme this month is gingerbread. So if you want to join us, we have all the hot gossip in there, and it's pretty fun. So good way to network on Instagram with other nail artists. Okay, well, thank you so much, my friends. I hope you have a wonderful day and a wonderful week, and until next time, bye.